Today is the day when I should thank you all guys, because this is the day when I complete my, not this day, yesterday and before yesterday I completed my 1000 subscribers, and I'm very happy and thankful for you all that finally I made it. And this is 1000 subscribers in just 27 days, because I start consistently uploading videos since 1 July 2024. Okay, so in my last month I started uploading videos in English, and that time my purpose to make videos and uploading videos is just to be comfortable in front of the camera while speaking English. Actually, I'm comfortable and I was comfortable person in front of the camera, but while speaking English I was not. So in last month I started making videos in English, but that time I was just randomly upload videos. You can also watch some of videos. So my purpose at that time just to be comfortable and just upload videos, not like this kind of providing a knowledge about English or this that like I'm doing right now. So I was not like this right now. So but 1 July 2024 when I decided to upload video every single day, and in just 27 days I complete my 1000 subscribers, and this is insane guys, because I'm very grateful and I'm very happy about it. But as I already told you in one of my video that we have to control our emotions. Don't share your achievement. Don't be too excited or too happy for your achievement. So just be calm and just be in peace and just focus on your work. So this is my strategy that I'm following, and in this video. But first, if you are new here, my name is Rahul. I'm here sharing my life experiences, and also I'm here to improve my English communication. If you are new here, watch this video till the end. In this video I'm gonna tell you about everything: my editing, shooting, writing, scripting, everything. And also I'm very thankful to you all, because yesterday I was viewing your all comments. There were tons of comments of you really appreciate me. And the reason behind that I started making video every single day is also you all, because you comment on at that time on my previous video, and you appreciate me. And you said very good words to me. That's why I feel proud and I feel worthy that yes, I'm something and I have to provide some knowledge and I have to make videos. So this is the thing that made me a consistent YouTuber in just for 1 month. And I will do it for sure, because I'm not thinking about subscribers. I'm not thinking about my monetization type. My focus is just to my work. Focus is just on what I should make video about. Okay, so now thank you so much. And this is a time when I should talk about my everything, my scripting and whatever. So this is my script in my laptop. I will add a video clip, you can see. So before, when I started, I was not writing any script, but I write my thoughts, these kind of things. So for scripting, you have to be a spiritual person, you have to be a creative person. Without spirituality, without living in a peaceful moment, living with yourself, you couldn't able to think widely, you couldn't able to think about more topics in your life. So I'm a kind of a spiritual person, and I can easily think about new topic, and this become easy because I plan my all the things that in a day, what is the topic that I should think and write my script. So I planned everything. On Monday, this is Monday, so I'm making videos about YouTube. On Tuesday and Wednesday, usually I'm making videos about addiction, habits, or English, how we can improve our English. And in Thursday, I'm making videos about relationship, how we can maintain our relationship with ourselves, with others. And on Friday, I'm talking about business, career, and making money. On Saturday, I'm reviewing a new book every Saturday. And on Sunday, I am talking and making videos about my 20s experience, like what I had experienced in my 20s, in my last, few couple of years, or my last, like I think 5 or 6 years experience. So this is the thing. So you can, if you want to make a good script, you have to think on a particular topic every single day, and just be planned everything. Just plan your work. So for scripting, I'm using my laptop. Before this, I am using my diary. So usually I was making on my diary, but recently I started writing my script on laptop, because the reason is because I'm also getting more faster while typing, because it will also it's also a kind of a skill. So we have to be skilled in some kind of things. Okay, so I'm writing my script in a laptop. This is, and after my script, I shoot my video on a in a morning time. My first thing when I woke up, I didn't use, like I don't use my phone. And even I talked about my morning routine in a video. You can just watch that video on my channel. So when I to take a bath, after that I am here sitting on my chair, sitting on in my room. This is not my room, actually this is my mom's room. So I'm start shooting my video. And I never ever see my script while recording a video. Some of the time might be you catch me like I'm watching it, but I'm not doing it, because I remember everything, like what's the topic I should talk next. Because easily it will easily learn. You can easily learn, because you are writing by your own thoughts, you are writing by your own. You can easily learn and memorize that script. So scripting is that. And shooting, I'm shooting my videos. And for shooting and after shooting, after shooting, my main focus is just to edit my video and make a thumbnail. So for thumbnail, I just click my picture, and I'm using, for shooting, I'm using my iPhone 12 mini I have. And for my mic, so many, like one of some of you also asking me about my voice. So this is my Boya mic, labeled mic, and you can see this is my brother's phone. So I'm using this because this is not working in my iPhone. So that's the reason. So my voice, I'm recording my voice in Boya mic. Actually I purchased it before. To be honest, my first ever channel on YouTube was in 2017, when I was in my 11th standard. So I failed so many times, guys. This is not just a single thing, that you are just saying, you are just watching me from last couple of months, but I failed so many times. Even I failed more, like in more things. But okay, so for my shooting, I'm shooting with my iPhone 12 mini. And for my voice, I'm recording my voice with the help of the mic, Boya mic M1. You can purchase all these things, link in the description. These are like affiliate links, so if you purchased, I will get benefited for it. So after my shooting, and I'm also using ring lights. One is here, one is here. Actually I had a ring light before, but that was just this one. But now I also I also think every day I'm thinking to improve my quality of the video and quality, quality content quality of my video. So I purchased this another RGB ring light. So this is thing, and I think we have to invest something. And in my case, actually, I quit my job, and now I decided, my focus is also earning money from YouTube, because I quit my job, and this is my main work. Throughout the day, I'm just thinking and working for YouTube and my English. So I think this is the time that you have to subscribe my channel and make me monetize on YouTube. Okay, so after my shooting, I use for my editing, I'm using CapCut. Some of you are also asking me about my editing, so I use CapCut for my editing. And if you want to use this app, actually this is not available in India, so we have to use VPN. I'm using Turbo VPN, and you can use any kind of VPN on your smartphone, and you can easily download it from your Chrome browser and on your Play Store, on your App Store. Okay, so just download, and after download, open your VPN and start VPN and start. You can easily edit your video, and editing also a thing where we have to be creative person. And to be honest, if you want to start your channel, it's a journey, guys. If you watch my previous video, my initial video, you can easily find that how bad I was in making videos, my quality, or all the that things. So you have to be on a journey. And when you are on a journey, you will find new things that you have to add in your videos or in your work. So just do it, guys. Edit your videos in CapCut, and you can also use VN, you can also use KineMaster, and tons of video editing applications available on the internet. And for my thumbnail, I am using Canva app, and you can also use, this is absolutely free. And this is all required your creative mind, this is all required your passion. I'm very passionate about all these things, content creation. And after when I am done my editing, and yeah, you can also add any like these kind of subtitles easily. There is available. You can easily search on the internet how to tutorial video about CapCut, and there you will find everything about CapCut. So, and after when I'm done with these things, I start thinking about a new video, like what I should make. And before thinking, I was also I am also using some keywords that related to my videos. You can easily go to the description and view all these my keywords. Okay, and in editing, guys, I never add any cuts. Even this is raw and real video, I never, and I commit to myself, I know, I tell myself that I never add any cuts. You have to you have to see, you have to watch me who I am right now, because I'm also learning English, and some of you are also inspired from me, why to your English journey, for your English journey. So I am also lacking somewhere, I'm also lacking, and I'm also stucking somewhere in my English. But this is reality. And don't hide your reality. Okay? Some of the time my brothers tell me that Rahul, you should wear another t-shirt every single day for your videos, but this is not a mandatory thing. You are here for my content, you are here for my knowledge, and you are here for me, not my clothes and not my everything. But everything is it's it's necessary, it's need, to improve our quality. But when you are in a journey, you eventually you get all these things. So after when I'm done with my editing and make a thumbnail, after I start thinking about my script, and I just sit with my laptop and start writing whatever. And I have, I'm planned everything, and I just start thinking on a particular topic, that what is the topic that I should think about. This will also give us a clarity that where we have to think, what about we have to think. Okay, so this is my journey, how I edit, shoot, scripting my videos. And now if you are watching till now, guys, I want to tell you that be a spiritual guy, be, always try to live in peace, be calm. That time you will be more creative person. You can get whatever you want. And don't use social media and YouTube too much. Actually, I'm also using, but every time when I start using and consuming too much content, I start feeling exhausted, I start feeling drained. And that time I easily recognize that what I should do next. I just switch, close my applications and start doing some breath work and start doing some productive things. And in the evening, 6 o'clock, around 6 o'clock, I'm daily uploading my videos. And also after when I upload my video, I'm usually talking to you. Some of you are also on my Instagram and talking to me. So I'm doing this, and every time I my data is on. So whenever I received a comment from you, I just try to reply you as much as I can, as early, as soon as I can. Okay, I think this is enough. So this is my thing. If you have any kind of doubts, questions regarding this video, and if you want to make your channel, just go for it guys. It's a journey, guys. Don't focus on your subscribers, don't focus on your views, just focus on your work. Just set a time period that I have to make videos for 30 days. I will make videos for 60 days. I will make videos for 1 year. Just do it. Definitely you will achieve this thing. And you have to think about it. You have to think in your whole day about your work. I'm doing it. If you are watching till now, it means a lot, guys. Every time I want to give you more love as I can. Okay, thank you so much. It means a lot, guys. And if you have any kind of doubts, questions, just let me know in the comment box, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you once again. Thank you guys for 1000 subscribers. Thank you very much. Thank you. Stay tuned.